So in this video I'm going to show you how you can validate Salesforce data using record trigger flows. These are similar to before insert or before update apex triggers, where you use .add error method to validate data using apex triggers. So I'm going to walk you through the most common scenario that says when an opportunity is marked as close one, then it must have at least one opportunity contact roles added before marking the opportunity as closed one. So normally we use apex trigger for these requirements because we cannot use standard validation rules for this requirement, as we cannot use the related records data in the validation rules. So let's get started. So how we can achieve this with record trigger flows. So what we are going to do, so first of all we are going to create a new checkbox field on the opportunity object, and I have named it at least one opportunity contact role validation, and this field should be hidden from the page layouts. So this is using in the background we are record trigger flows. So then I have created this record trigger flows which is configured on the opportunity object, and it runs when a record is updated, and I have put a criteria that this record trigger flows should run when the opportunity is marked as close one, and then I have set it as fast field update, and then after it I'm getting the opportunity contact roles records matching the opportunity ID. I am getting all the records, and then using a decision element I'm checking if the opportunity contact roles are found or not. If no opportunity contact roles found, then the record trigger flow is going to update the checkbox field that we created here. So it will mark this checkbox field as true, and then finally I have created a validation rule which runs when this checkbox field is marked as true, and it shows an error message to the opportunity. So before showing how it works, I'm going to activate this record trigger flow, and once it is activated I'm going to mark this opportunity as close one, and now it shows an error message that at least one opportunity contact role is required. So let's add a contact role to the opportunity, and now the contact role is added to the opportunity, and now if I mark the opportunity to close one again, now it should save. So this is how you can use record trigger flows to validate Salesforce data. You can use this method for a number of scenarios where you use apex code. Instead of apex code, you can just use record trigger flows with some validation rules and checkbox fields. Thanks for watching the video.